GM guys, GM guys. So we are so on a quick one, let's just do a sharp documentation on gold. Yeah, so what do we have on gold? Basically, you can see I already have my markups. So with the look of things, we have a break of structure, 4-hour break of structure to the downside, an internal break of structure to the downside for our narrative. We have a weekly high. So having a weekly high, we track our weekly narrative with 4-hour narrative. So once we are done with the 4 hours, we see a break of structure to the downside. So we have a retracement, as you can see. Yeah, we want to track our 4-hour also with 1 hour or 15 minutes. So let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, so before we go to 1 hour, you can see, we make it more visible for you guys to see. Okay, so as you can see here is it, here it is rather. So let's go to 1 hour. Let's see what we have on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we have it here on 1 hour time frame. So basically, before this, we want to first have a clue on the whole structure. I want to see the whole playground on, yeah. So 4-hour break of structure here and here, the downside retracement. Yeah, so basically, retracement on 4 hours, we track it with either 15 minutes or 1 hour. So first, premium and discount, if you ask me, I don't think it's necessary, but it is what it is. So premium and discount, so we are already in the premium zone, as you can see. So from here, we're expecting nothing less of a retracement. So first, before that, on 1 hour time frame, we want to identify our inducement. So these are our extreme inducement. These are 1 hour high. Yeah, 1 hour high, which means we are not expecting price to take out this high. We are not expecting price to take out this high because it is except price change character to the upside, invalidating change price to the upside against this 1 hour high. So like I said, we are tracking the 4-hour time frame, and now we have our 1 hour structure. So as we can see, so this is the extreme inducement liquidity zone on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see price mitigated it here. Yeah, price mitigated it here. So before price mitigated it, price did well to create a 4-hour structure to the upside. So it's funny anyway. There's a pullback. Yeah, here's a pullback. Price went up, came down, then pulled up. That's why we have a 1 hour break of structure to the upside. Let me mark it for the sake of it. Okay. So 1 hour break of structure to the upside, and immediately price came down again. So we'll call this a change of character. And this is our market reset anyway. This is the market reset model. So we have a change of character to the downside, and again price went up, then price reset from 1 hour to 4 hours went up. So price went up basically, and creating a 4-hour high. Yeah, I would call it a 4-hour high anyway. Let me mark it as a 4-hour high, creating this 4-hour high. So creating this 4-hour high as it is. Now in that moment, price equally mitigated this 1 hour inducement with this particular 4-hour high, and price came down. Let's go to 4 hours to see, just to be sure we are seeing clearly what we're seeing. So yes, pull back on the 4 hour, price went up, then pullback that took out a pullback. So this is a 4-hour low to the upside price. So a break of structure with a wick, which if you ask me is not a valid break of structure. So well, this kind of rejection is serious. So of course everybody is expecting price to come down. So that's sentimental analysis anyway. But basically we now have a 4-hour high here, and like I said, once we have a 4-hour high, we want to confirm our change of character on a 1-hour time frame. Yeah, so basically this is a 4-hour high and 1-hour time frame change of character. Is this a 1-hour low? Yes, it is a 1-hour low. So let's look at it. So price went up, gave us a pullback to this level. Price went up, as you can see, went up to this. This is a pullback. Price went up, then price came down. Let me use the pack to clear this thing. So up to this level. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Okay, let me mark again. So up to this level, price came down, then up to this level and price came down. Are you serious? Came down so far to this level, then okay. So let's see what we have. This is a 1-hour time frame. Let's see. This is serious anyway. So what do we have here? We have pullback here, upside, then upside pullback, value pullback, body close, price went up, came down. There's another pullback. So basically we have two swing points of pullback, this pullback and this pullback. So yes, this is a 1-hour low. Yeah, this is a 1-hour low. Price came, mitigated this 1-hour inducement, created this 4-hour high, then came down, gave us a change of character. However, this change of character is not a valid change of character. It's a change of character with a wick, you see. So we have to be very careful when trading it. However, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if we have a change of character with a body. So still no change of character with a body, so which means we still need to be very careful when trading this area anyway. So let's go back to 1 hour. So seeing this change of character, I want to see price come down, break with body here, settle down with body here, then we can be very confident about trading this zone and the likes. Do you get it? I want to see a change of character. We want to see a body close here. So that being said, for me, this structure has ticked all that is to be ticked. A liquidity sweep to the upside, taking out the 1 hour inducement. The swing point also forming a 4-hour high and giving us a break of structure, 1 hour break of structure. So yes, if you ask me, we are already bearish. If you ask me, don't forget we are bearish. The 4-hour narrative, we are bearish on the 4-hour time frame. We are only trading the retracement. So yes, price mitigated, took out the extreme liquidity zone with a weak swept it with a weak, then yeah. So basically I'm expecting gold to dump. Yeah, if you ask me, this is my exit. These are my exit liquidity. We will be exiting. Yeah, this is where I will be exiting for myself. So yes, if you ask me with this body close, well, I will advise folks should wait for a body close. something like this, then probably a little retracement, then will come down. Yeah, something like this. I expect folks to wait for this. I advise folks should wait for this. However, there are ways you can. If you ask me, I would. Well, let's just leave it at that. So I expect folks to wait for this. So basically, this is what I'm looking for next week. This is what I'm looking for. I'm expecting gold to sell real hard. So like I said, this is a weekly high, and this weekly high is very strong and protected. And in that weekly high, we also have a 4-hour narrative. So our 4-hour narrative, here is it. So inside this 4-hour narrative, we are unable to. Inside this 4-hour narrative, as you can see, this 4-hour narrative doesn't have any inducement. This 4-hour breakout doesn't have any inducement yet. No valid pullback. So of course we are not going to trade it. So instead, we go to a lower time frame. You get it, we go to a lower time frame, and on the lower time frame we are going to see what. Okay, we are going to see our 1-hour structure, which is this. Yeah, from here to here, that's our 1-hour narrative, and the extreme inducement was mitigated. Price and the swing point that mitigated that swept the extreme inducement formed the 4-hour high by taking out this 1-hour low, change of character. So yeah, for me, this is a good sell. This is what I'm expecting. Basically, this is what I'm expecting in the market. So that's about that. So I wish you guys luck on gold.